We need to drug test him.
Flash.
Let me transfer it.
I was wondering if I could bring. Yo, what is up, guys? We got a little care package from SuperATV. Already from looking at the box, I can already tell that the quality of the product is super duper good. And since it's from SuperATV, you already know the quality is really good. We've been using SuperATV for about 3 years now, and we've had an amazing time and having fun with using their product and stuff like that. Let's open the package up. Oh my God. Billet SuperATV rear knuckles. Made in the USA. These things are absolutely beautiful. Holy crap. And today, we're installing it on this Polaris RZR Turbo OS 2-seater. Super excited. These things look sweet. Let's put them on. Right on this table are all the tools you're gonna need to put on these billet knuckles. Check them out. So we got a 15mm wrench, your 18mm wrench. We have a ratchet in case you don't have an impact gun. 27mm socket to go on your axle nut. You're gonna need this. It's a 19mm to take off the stock lug nuts. If not, this is the adapter we use and it fits right in the 19mm. You need an 18mm to take off your radius rods, 15 for your brakes. And that's really all the priorities. Then we got this to take off the stock cotter pin. Luckily, I don't use stock cotter pins, but then we got the snap ring. And that's literally all you need to put on these beautiful billet knuckles. And SuperATV actually provides these bearings, which is super duper awesome. Let's start on. Alright, like I said, we don't use stock cotter pins, we use these. These are almost like hitch clips that they go inside here. It's way more easy to pull them out. It's a little bit difficult, but definitely way more easy. So instead of using that, we just use this. So like I said, pliers for the cotter pin. Here we are, grabbing the 15mm for your brake bolts. Alright, next thing you want to pull out is your 27mm right here. This will go right on your axle nut. In case you guys aren't using a 1/2" impact, like this is, I have this little adapter right here that goes into a 3/8. You're going to have these little washers right here you really want to be careful about, because if you lose these, you got to go buy another one. And they're super important. You actually can't run the car without these. So make sure you guys do not lose them, because I have before. After you do that, this is where the 18mm pull up. These are to take off both your lower and upper radius rods. Perfect. You're always going to want to put them back in place so the you don't lose the bolt, obviously, and you don't lose those. Those are very important as well. Perfect, there we go. That will be open in with the new. Alright, now that I've taken it off, you can obviously look down and see the difference. This is beautiful. That's just plain ugly. Check out the Billet SuperATV knuckle. Check out this dirty piece of thing. Whatever this thing is, it looks ugly. So let's upgrade, out with the old, in with the new. We got a shot press right here. This is basically the easiest way to get your bearing in your knuckle, just so you're not beating on it over and over with a hammer. So, but if you do end up doing it, use a rubber hammer. And when you do it, make sure it's completely even, because you do not want to score the bearing and have to buy a new one. Let's get it in. One thing that's definitely suggested is anti-seize. You're obviously going to want to find a flat surface to press it in. Same thing if you're hammer-hitting, flat surface, almost like a thick aluminum piece or something like this, or a wooden block. Works either way. You're going to want to start off slowly with this. Perfect. Let's get this in here. That's so hard. Holy crap. I don't think I can do this. Perfect. Get that on. Use my more dominant hand. Oh, holy crap. That was so hard. Whew. Let's make sure that's all the way in there. You want to make sure that's always all the way in there. Perfect. Look at my hand turned red like instantly. I don't think my little squirmy arms can handle it. Now that your passenger side bearing is done, go ahead and give yourself a little head start by putting this bearing on just so you can get it right bolted on. As you guys can see, if you look at the car, it looks absolutely beautiful. And we got it done in less than an hour, which is absolutely amazing for us, just because it's so quick to install. And it's super beautiful, and it basically requires the minimum of all tools you need to fix the car. So thank you to SuperATV for sending out the Billet knuckles. They look absolutely beautiful, and I'm super happy with them. Make sure you guys watch the installation video to go check it out. Thank you. By the way, make sure you guys subscribe to SuperATV's YouTube channel as well. And make sure you guys go check out their product at www.superatv.com. Super duper awesome product. I run all their product on my car. Make sure you guys go check them out. And as for me, make sure you guys go click down below, subscribe, smash the like button, add a comment for any more content you'd like to see. Go follow my TikTok, Instagram, as well as SuperATV. Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube because we both make a lot of cool content. Thank you guys for watching. Woo!